So let us do what? Let us discuss tuples. Let us discuss tuples. So
Can you
now,
spell very
as
fast?
we saw in the previous data structures, we saw that the list is initialized with the help of square brackets. Right? We saw dictionaries
सर इसका यूज कर
initialized
सकते हैं हम
using
सेट्स में?
curly brackets. We saw set is initialized how set and parenthesis set. So this is what it is. So this is how we initialize a three data structure. All right. So let us do what? Let us talk about how we initialize tuple. So it is very simple. Just write the C-shaped brackets, parenthesis, and run the two checks. So it will become what? It will become a tuple. All right. So it will become a tuple. A is equal to parenthesis and type A. It will become what? It will become a tuple. Right. Now, back in 2019, a lot of questions were asked related to a lot of, not a lot of, this question was very common. Explain the difference between list and tuple. Now, people used to say, basically, the right answer, of course. The right answer was that list can be changed. List is mutable, but tuple is immutable. Tuple cannot be changed. Tuple cannot be changed, that is through functions. So cannot be automated through functions. There is no function that can be used to change a tuple. We can only access values in tuple. We can only access values in tuple, but we cannot change the values in tuple. So this is what we can only access values in tuple, but we cannot change the values in tuple. So let us have a look at it. We can also check the length of tuples. All right. So let us, as there are no elements, so it will, of course, it will show 0. Let us do what? Let us add a few elements. Let's print, let us know the type, let us know the length. That's it. All right. We can also do basically access the values of element, access the elements inside the tuple, just like we did for list, same as list. We can also access the values. We can also use slicing and dicing. We can use the same slicing and dicing, be it negative or positive. Be it negative or positive, we can do that. Let us say I want to slice only 7 and 4. So 2, 7, 4, what will I do? I'll write 1 slice 4. So it will give me what? 2, 7, 4. If I want to dice, I can dice also. I can dice also. Right? I can print it in reverse. I can do all of the things that, all of the slicing, dicing that I did it in what? I did it in tuple. I did it in list. I did it in list. I can do all those things that I did it in list. I can do slicing and dicing in terms of slicing and dicing. I can do that. All right. So this is what it is. Another, so tuple, what discussion can be done in tuple is that we can discuss the properties of tuple. We can discuss the properties of tuple. We cannot discuss the functions of tuple because there aren't any. There aren't any. So this is what it is. All right. Right. All right. So moving ahead further. Now taking a property of tuple. Now tuple can also be declared like this without using curl parenthesis. Tuple can also be used 5, 2, 7, 4, 1. Then also it will give me what? It will give me a tuple. Then also it will give me what? It will give me a tuple. If I write its type, it will give me what? It will give me tuple. If I write type, so this is how also we can declare a tuple. Now what we can do is that we can basically take, these are 5 elements. We can take 5 different values. We can take 5 different values. We can take 5 different values or variables and keep it equivalent to A. Now A has what? A has 5, 2, 7, 4, 1. We have what? We have B, C, D, E, F. So these 5, 2, 7, 4, 1 will get what? Will get automatically saved in B, C, D, E, F. So this is what it is. 5, 2, 7, 4, 1. So this is what it is. So it will give it individualistic value. Now these are not tuples, they are individual values. They will be termed as what? They will be termed as integers. Right. So this is what it is. They will be termed as what? They will be termed as integers. So this is what it is. Let us no doubt. Let us write what? Let us write mixed data types. Let us write mixed data. Let us write 1 comma or 1 comma or 5 comma 4. Let's say 0.8 comma hello. All right. It is very easy. Set and tuples are very easy. All right.